The Nigerian House of Reps have told the Federal Republic of Nigeria government to stop foreign herdsmen from entering Nigeria. The House of Representatives has urged the federal government to put a halt to alleged entry of the herdsmen from other African countries into Nigeria. This was prior to an unanimous adoption of a motion by Rep. Ndudi Elumelu, PDP Delta, at plenary on Tuesday. Moving the motion earlier, Elumelu said in the recent years, herdsmen have been on the rampage, destroying farmlands, burning villages and killing innocent Nigerians indiscriminately in many states across this federation. Elumelu said that Nigerian security agents had consistently stated that those herdsmen were not Nigerians but migrants from other neighboring countries. He said those herdsmen who were militant in nature has consistently instilled fear in the lives of the local farmers and villagers living in the affected area. He said the herdsmen use coercion, intimidation, brute force, and extreme violence in most cases, leaving a large number of persons dead. The violent conflict between the nomadic herdsmen from neighboring countries and the local farmers are escalating by the day to more states of the Federation, and if left unchecked will further threaten the security and stability of the nation. The clashes are becoming potentially as dangerous as the Boko Haram insurgents in the northwest. Yet, to date, response to the crisis at both the federal and the state level has been very poor and ineffective. It has become necessary to lend a voice to Governor Abdullahi Ganduje of Kano State that a stop is to put to the movement of the herdsmen from other African countries to Nigeria. This is to curb the rate of crimes and conflict associated with their movement across Nigeria, he said. In his ruling, Speaker of the House, Femi, mandated that the Committee on Police Affairs, Army and Interiors to interface with security agencies with a view to ensuring implementation and report within 4 weeks. Oh, Abi! Thank God. Thank God that you people are finally waking up. Oh, you people are awake now. You see, these insurgents of the Fulani herdsmen that are entering this country every time, causing problems, should be brought an end to. I'm very, very happy that Elumelu brought this up. People have been suffering poorly and helplessly in the hands of these herdsmen. They will come in and destroy farmlands, destroy properties that belong to Nigerians, and nothing is being done about it. When Nigerians go to another country and do something that is not good or according to their own law there, the people don't take it lightly with them. But I don't understand why these herdsmen are consistently coming to this country, destroying lives and properties of people, and little or nothing is being done about it. I am very happy that the House of Representatives, they are waking up to this thing that has been happening. And it been is ordinary people that have been crying or calling for action. Maybe it will not be taken seriously. But now that the House is talking about it, it is taken seriously, and my happiness is that very soon an end will be put to this. It's because of this movement of these people that there are reportedly things that are happening in this country now. We don't know the source. Some people are called the bandits, some are called the herdsmen. The herdsmen, we don't know the real herdsmen and the people that are terrorists, because the other people that goes with ammunition, are they still herdsmen? Who are they using the guns on? Is it the car that they are using the guns on, or what? So I don't know how these things has been happening since, and it seems nothing has been going on to resolve the issue. But my only joy now is that the House of Rep have made a clarion call to the federal government of Nigeria to take this personally and seriously and make sure that this problem is tackled once and for all. so that we will know the source of the problems we are having, so that we know the source of predicaments and plights people are having in the country Nigeria. Because all these people they call bandits, we don't know who they are. We don't know who they are. Our bandit spirit or human being, where do they come from? Some people cannot just wake up one morning and become something and be killing people anyhow in this country. So my happiness now is that at least within, as the leader, as the Speaker of the House has mandated a committee, the Committee of Police Affairs, Army and Interior, to interface with security agencies with a view to ensuring implementation and report within 4 weeks. At least this is a good step for people to claim their security once again in this country. Because in the midst of all these things happening, there are some people that cannot even voice it out. So people are suffering and smiling. People are suffering and dying for nothing. Poor farmers in the villages that have been suffering after cultivating any plant, some planting season. These Fulani herdsmen will come in with their this thing and destroy the farmland. And the farmers will not come up with anything, even after suffering all through the farming season. These are the things that have been going on. No member of a country would like to destroy what belongs to his fellow countrymen, because he knows that it will affect everybody. But now, all these people that have been destroying crops and properties and even lives of poor Nigerians in the remote areas, I think these are people that are coming from outside of this country, Nigeria. They are coming from any other part of Africa, but not Nigeria. The good thing is that, just like Elumelu said, that the crashes are becoming potentially and dangerous as the Boko Haram insurgents in the northeast. Yet to date, response to the crisis at both the federal and state level has been very poor and ineffective. This was the way this insurgents of the Boko Haram started. Like play, it became something else, and very, very, very powerful. So Nigeria have to start doing something immediately. The earlier the better, the faster the better, so that before any other thing or any other illegal development will start from these people, we have already cut dead the movement of the Fulani, of the herdsmen that are not Nigerians, even though they are Africans. Anyway, people have been commenting on this. Let me see what people are saying on this. Someone says, senseless debate and talk altogether. Pass a law to that effect. If he refused to sign the Senate should do the needful. However, do we have any serious Senate? This is funny. A call of national security from different quarters. Abi, really? Please, so we prefer foreign herdsmen than foreign rice. They are coming to help us farm more rice in Kano. Really? How sure is this assertion? How real is this assertion? Good morning, Nigeria. Those who says that whenever a man wakes up in his morning, same is his morning. Same people also says, unfortunately, it is too late to cry when the head is off. Native sense, keep doing the needful. Abi? The chicken has come home to roast. Middle Belt State, kick back and watch. Abi, oh, really? How will federal government stop them when we don't have a biometric database of citizens or good border control? Will federal government go and stand on every footpath that leads to Nigeria? Who told you what you are saying, Oga? Live long enough and you will see things come full circle. Once upon a time, federal government swore by all the stand holy that herdsmen were not responsible for the insecurity in Nigeria. They called those who held those views as pursuing hate speech. This is not about hate speech. This is about the security of our country, Nigeria. The security, the securing of lives, innocent lives and property of indigenous Nigerian citizens. So I would like to hear your own comment. Feel free to drop your comments below, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.